Today we are making a video with my friend Ishmael. Say hi. Oops, spelled wrong. Say hi. Hope you all are having a great day. So we are just going to explain some Halloween pets. I already have a couple. I actually have all of them. All of the Halloween pets. She has some. And yeah. I am going to be having a giveaway for bats soon. So please leave your username down below so I can find it. Let's go to one of the events. Come, my girl. Come. We're gonna do this event. Guys, I've already done a bunch about this off camera. I am working off camera to get this neon back to you guys. Okay. I am working extremely hard to help you guys with this. So, we're just going to be doing some of the events. My friend's here with us. Can't see again. It's weird. It's really weird. Aww. Well, I'm smart, yo. Maybe we can get the bee destroyed. The beast. The beast of it all. I love the beast. Wait, is my thing going? Yeah, my thing's talking. We have 1 minute. We're halfway done. I think we can do it in the time that we are given. I think we can do this. If we all just stay on the outside, then yeah. Cool. Yeah, nice candy. So yeah. I think guys are just gonna be trying to make pets neon and everything. Yo, Junior. Let's work on you. LOL. So that's the Halloween event. Really excited. Next video we'll be making albino bat neon and T-Rex neon. So look forward to those videos. Hope you all are having a great day. Goodbye.